Hey guys, my name is Suresh and welcome back to my channel. I got some stuff from Clubfactory. Yes, I heard you guys. So many of you guys are commenting on my Amazon video saying that to try out Clubfactory. You also guys told me to try out different websites, but I was just so excited to do Clubfactory. I haven't opened the package yet. As you can see, if it wasn't for this video, I honestly don't think I would have shopped from Clubfactory because I've just heard so many bad negative reviews about Clubfactory. I never like to shop from the websites like that. The only kind of newish website that I would try is Shein and Romwe, and that's where it stops for me because I don't like to experiment too much on websites that I don't know. So that's just me, but I was really excited to try, and I just want to see if this kind of gives me hope that maybe you can find one or two good things. So yeah, I'm very excited. So without any further ado, let's just get started. I got 5 tops and 2 jewelry pieces because I've heard so much about Clubfactory jewelry. Everyone says that they have really nice jewelry. So if this actually works out, I may not go back for the clothes again, but I will definitely go back for the jewelry. Okay. And there we have it. So we have 7 pieces there. I see one tiny yellow envelope, and I'm guessing that the jewelry is inside this. So let's just leave it till the end. I'm just going to jump right into the clothing because I'm very excited for those. So first I see, so yeah, they come in this nice Ziploc bags. I guess it's the same thing as Shein or Romwe, which I really like. I actually like the packaging. I love that they come in individual Ziploc bags. So this is the first shirt that I got, and it has like these big sleeves over here, but actually what you can do is after you put it on, you're supposed to tie a bow where the sleeve ends, maybe in the elbow where it ends. You're supposed to tie a bow with the ribbon they've given. So it just looked super cute on the model. I will insert the picture right here so you can see. It looked so adorable and I was very excited to try. So till now it looks promising. It does look like it is going to fit me. And yeah, this is how it looks. Material wise, I wouldn't say it's the best possible material. It is like one of those materials that feels kind of rough, you know what I mean? And I feel like it may be itchy. So once I put it on, we will know. So yeah, let's just go to the try on then. Okay guys, so this is the first shirt that I'm wearing, and I actually really like it. I thought that the material is going to be very itchy because it's like that rough kind of material, but it looks so good. I'm just wearing it with a high-waisted skirt over here, and I really like the sleeves. It does look exactly like the image. The only problem I would say is that I had to do these bows on my own, which was kind of a task because I had to like pull it with my teeth. So next I have another shirt. They had some really cute shirt, guys, and you know the kind of shirt that's very Pinterest or Tumblr, and they're just super cute, very oversized, just so very nice. So I just got this white one because honestly right now my wardrobe is lacking a nice white shirt, and I really need to fix that issue because I feel like a white shirt is such a beautiful piece to have in your wardrobe. So yes, this is the one that I got. Material wise, it's an okay material. It's not like the first one that I showed. It is definitely very soft and it is so white right now. I'm really liking the color. It's very white and crisp. So yeah, the shirt has a pocket here and it doesn't have any button, just like how it is shown on the model here. So yeah, let's go try this on then. Okay, so this is what the second shirt looks like. It is oversized, but I don't know if I really like it. So it has like this inverted V kind of thing going on just to give you that oversized look. I really like the pocket. I really do enjoy the casual vibe of this shirt. I'm also going to tuck it in just a bit here in the front like that, and I think that just makes it look better. If I were to leave it completely down, I don't think that looks very nice. Like I can even off the shoulder it like this. I just think even that looks very cute just because it's so oversized. Okay, so next we have this one, and this honestly doesn't even look like a piece of clothing. So this one is this very popular mesh top that I'm seeing all over Instagram, and I just really wanted to have it. This one. And yeah, this one has a pretty good material, you know, it's like nice and stretchy. Also, if I remember correctly, this was a one size fit all kind of a situation, so you can't really choose a size. And it kind of looks like it might fit anyone ranging from a size small to a maybe size XL. So excited to try it on. Okay guys, so this is the mesh top right here. Just for this video, I am wearing it with a yellow cami top. But yeah, I mean, if I were to go outside, I would definitely wear it with the bralette. And it is not itchy at all, like the net is not the itchy kind of net, which I'm really enjoying. And yeah, it looks super cute. I really like it. So you guys obviously must have seen the really famous Gucci shirt that has been so all over 2017, and even in 2018 everyone is wearing it. Pirated version of that. So the Gucci shirt actually says, you know, has the same pattern and then it says Gucci. But here on this it just says Girl Gang, and I actually really like it. I really like the material of this one. It is so soft. It's like a proper t-shirt. I'll try to link all the products in the description box below if I can find it, because Clubfactory is an app. The only thing I feel like it could be a tad bit transparent, because if I turn it over, you can actually see the print that is on the front side through the back side. So that's like 2 layers of clothing. I can still see the print. I'm definitely going to be wearing a lot of these and post pictures on Instagram, so do check it out. Link in the description box below. So guys, this is what the Girl Gang t-shirt looks like. It's a nice t-shirt, you know, it's actually super soft. I'm wearing a yellow cami underneath, and you guys can clearly see it through this shirt, because this shirt is really very transparent. That's the only downside, I would say. So what I like to do is just make a knot in the front like this, and it just becomes 100 times cuter. And the last piece of clothing is this one. But for some reason, all I have bought is black and white clothing, and I think I should be a little bit concerned, but I'm not complaining. I will insert the product picture right here so that you guys can see. It has laces, guys. This was such a cute top, and I already hate the material, but other than that, it's such a cute crop top. Not the best material, but I can live with it. I can definitely wear it, but it has like these rivet metal details on both sides, and it's open. So they've given the laces for me to do a crisscross design on both sides, and you will see on the try on haul how it actually looks on me. I really like this one. Also, let's just take a second to admire the horrible botched up job that I did to just make a simple lace up. I couldn't even lace it up properly, so I'm definitely going to ask my mom to do this for me. But yeah, this is what it looks like on both sides. Another strange thing that I found in my package is this. I don't know what this is. I didn't order it. I don't know what it's supposed to be, and it says Hyderabad. Like, I don't know, like if you guys have shopped from Clubfactory and if you receive something like this, do let me know, like what is this? I have no idea what this is supposed to be. Okay guys, so next we are going to move on to the jewelry. I am so excited to see how the jewelry is going to be. So it has like in this envelope kind of thing. So this is the first packaging over here. This one was 104 rupees. I don't know if I actually bought it for 104. I will put the price here if it wasn't 104. So it's just a dainty neck piece. If you guys know me and if you guys can see what I'm wearing right now, then you guys must know that I love dainty jewelry. I absolutely love it. This has definitely got to be my favorite piece in this entire thing. Oh my god, you guys can see in the picture how it's supposed to look, because it looks exactly like the picture. It feels like it is going to be pretty decent quality. Obviously I can't judge right now whether in time if it will fade or not, but it is so beautiful. Can you guys see that? I'm really sorry if it's getting mixed up with the jewelry that I'm already wearing, but can you guys see? It looks so beautiful. I love it. Next, the second piece of jewelry is this one, and I don't know if I'm going to like this one because it feels too big, or maybe it is going to be nice. I don't know. Oh my god, it's all tangled up. Guys, I'm going to insert the picture right here so you can see how it's supposed to look, because it is so tangled up right now. I just cannot. Yeah, again, this one has a lot of layers. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. As you can see in the picture here, I'm also referring to the picture here, but it has a lot of layers. Okay guys, so those are all the things that I got from Clubfactory. I hope you really enjoyed this haul. So I had placed my Clubfactory order on the 31st of March and I received it on the 17th of April. So that's like 2 to 3 weeks I got it in, and I don't think that's so bad. Obviously, depending on which city or where you live, the delivery might differ if you are going to try out Clubfactory, but I feel like I've had a pretty decent experience with Clubfactory for me to definitely go back again, and I'm actually very excited. The only thing that I disliked about the products that I got was the smell. If you guys have ordered from Clubfactory, maybe you guys can relate to this, but oh my god, these products smell like they are made out of chemicals. Before I actually wear these outside, I will definitely have to wash it once just to get rid of that smell, because I am not stepping out of this house with that chemical smell from my clothes. So that's the only thing. Since it was my first time trying out Clubfactory, I just didn't really want to take the risk of trying out, you know, shoes, because I wasn't sure about the size or the material. But yeah, if you guys would like for me to try out shoes or more complicated outfits, then do let me know in the comments down below, and I would love to do that. I make videos every Tuesday and Friday, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!